Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and can you believe it, 1,000 subscribers, and it's been about a year and a half since I started this channel. Now this is a huge goal of mine, was to reach this point of 1,000 subscribers, and I finally have done it with you guys helping me out. If you've subscribed to my channel, you're awesome. Thank you so much. And this really is a huge milestone for YouTubers, because in order to make any money off of your YouTube channel and to get some of the money back in time from what you've done on your YouTube channel, you have to reach 3 requirements from YouTube, and then you have to request monetization. The first one is have your channel for a year. I'm at a year and a half. You have to have 10,000 viewed hours on your channel, and I believe I passed that at the beginning of this year, and just now we passed 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for helping me out and reaching that point. If you have not subscribed yet, maybe you can help me out reach the next goal of 2,000 by the end of this year. That would be awesome. I don't know if we'll make it, but we'll see. Also, I have a ton of new projects in the future, so I'm getting ready to do a huge project on the back of our house. We're building a new bathroom onto the back. It'll be a master bathroom, and my father-in-law is actually going to be coming down. He's been doing construction his whole life. He's going to help me build the structure as well as get the roof on it and seal it up from the weather so that I can take my time finishing the inside. I'll be doing the wiring, insulating, plumbing, flooring, spackling, sheetrock, painting, installing all the fixtures. Everything will be a step-by-step progress that I will show you guys how to do it yourself in my videos each week. Now I might have to take a week on, week off with different projects to keep up, and we'll take it fairly slow through that, but my goal is by the end of this year. Most likely it will be done before that, but that is the cutoff date. I want to reach that point where the bathroom is completely finished by the end of this year. It's all sealed up and ready to go. So I hope you guys are excited as I am about this project. It's going to be pretty huge, so I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. So stay tuned for future videos to come. Thanks again guys so much for helping me reach this giant goal of mine at reaching 1,000 subscribers and monetizing my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the future videos. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and leave any comments or suggestions below that you have. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.